Hi, this is Kelly. I'm back with my January 2019 Facetory subscription. I have subscribed to the 4 mask subscription pack. It comes monthly with tax and everything. It's around $11, $11.99. If you go to cratejoy.com, you can get discount codes there through Cratejoy. And if you go to the Facetory website, there is a codes there that you can get a couple masks free depending on which subscription you go with. But before we get into this, if you like unboxing videos and you want to see what we have coming up, we have quite a good variety of boxes that we have that we're going to be unboxing soon. So if you like that, just hit the like and subscribe button. And if you want to know when we post new videos, just hit the bell for the notifications. Why don't we get started? I'll open this up here. Okay. So the package looks like this. It was the same last month with the winter theme, which is nice, especially this time of year. All right. So it looks like this then. You get, there is a card that shows you everything that you get, and it gives you the prices of the mask. So this one is the January Forever Fresh, which is the 4 mask pack. And then they give you, this is Ready, Set, Glow. And it shows you on the back how to do your masks to get the most benefit from them. So that's pretty nice. I do like that. All right. So the first one that we have is the Facetory Moon Velvet Moisturizing Cream Mask. So I think that's a really pretty package. I love the silver on it. This retails for $4. It says pamper yourself during a night in with the Moon Velvet Moisturizing Cream Mask. This eco-friendly 10-cell sheet mask hugs the contours of your face with a creamy essence. Use this during the nighttime to wake up with soft skin. It has shea butter and sodium hyaluronate, which I love shea butter. It makes your skin feel so soft. So I can't wait to try that. So I got that. Then I got the Look at Me Collagen Essence Face Mask, Anti-Wrinkle and Increase Elasticity. So I got that. This retails for $3. It says one of the greatest ways to take care of yourself is to take care of your skin. This mask will give your skin the care it needs using one of our favorite ingredients, collagen. So this has hydrolyzed collagen, which helps provide elasticity through the plumping of your skin, and it helps to reduce lines and wrinkles. And has rice extract, which has natural antioxidants, which is nice. So I have that. Then there is the Leogen One Day One Mask Brightening Mask. This retails for $3. It's let's start the new year with a brighter outlook and a brighter complexion using this brightening Leogen mask. So it has turmeric and Centella asiatica, which is basically antioxidants to help your skin. So I got that. And then the last mask, which I love this packaging. The colors are beautiful. It's this Miko Liters Dermal Elasticity Mask Pack. This retails for $3 also. Love the packaging. The flowers at the bottom. The colors are beautiful. They go together really well. The more elasticity, the merrier. This sheet mask will provide your skin with elasticity, revealing a tighter, smoother skin tone. This also has the hydrolyzed collagen and bamboo leaf extract, which helps replenish the collagen in your skin while also improves the skin's flexibility, resulting in firmer, smoother skin. So that's really nice. I love to do sheet masks, so I was really happy when I found this subscription, and it's at a really good price too. So I think you get 4 masks for about $11, I think is a great deal. I'm trying to do more of the Korean skincare, trying to take care of my skin better. So I'm really happy with this. I'll have to let you know how things go and which ones that I really like. But again, if you like this, just hit the like button. Thank you.